Hello, I'm Professor Imogen Smith, and welcome to my short lecture today on the 5 most common negative effects of social media. So, let's start by laying the groundwork. Social media has become central to how people communicate, access information, and spend their time. While it offers clear benefits, there is growing evidence that its design and patterns of use can lead to significant negative effects. In this lecture today, I'll focus on 5 of the most common, which are misinformation, echo chambers and polarization, binge scrolling, mental health, and attention span. The bottom line of today's lecture is social media is not simply a neutral tool. It actively shapes how people think, feel, and behave through algorithmic design and repeated exposure to certain types of content. So let's begin with the first issue, which is misinformation. Misinformation refers to false or misleading information that spreads rapidly online, often without users realizing it.